Title of this video, it's gonna be another trade recap. This week was full of ups and downs, primarily downs, and honestly, I don't know what the hell I was doing, because it's like I just threw everything out the window, almost like I contracted some type of fucking AIDS or like some brain-eating disease that just made me trade like a fish. And aside from me, let's find out exactly what went wrong. This first trade is gonna be from February 2nd on Monday of this week. So, I mean, it's not a bad setup so far. It looks like we have some type of liquidity that never got swept out. We were targeting something up there. Price made a double top. It's starting to come down a little bit. Broker structure, 5-minute, clear targets above. Plus, we fucking ripped insane this morning. So, all right, it's a good entry. I mean, everything I just said is not invalid. It's definitely good. It's smart. You know, decent stop loss or decent take profit, stop loss, whatever. It's right above those highs. That's fine too.
So at that point, I feel like that's.
I have no reason not to leave this trade. Honestly, this is not a bad setup. I don't know if it was against high time frame bias. I can't remember for this day, but if it was with high time frame bias, this is a good setup.
So I'm okay with this.
I think it's a pretty good. I don't know what the fuck I'm putting this at, but this was not even equilibrium. It's flowing. I'm already up 57 at this point. The one thing about this shit that's so annoying, bro, it takes so long, and it could go like all the way down here and still fucking kick you out. So all this time would be for nothing. Was I venting? What am I talking about? What? Yeah, but what's the point of saying that? So long, and it could go like all the way down here and still fucking kick you out. So look how sad I look when I said that too. Am I foreshadowing something?
I'm gonna take a piss or something, dude.
Right there, the patented. I think if I leave my room every time I take a trade, it has to work out. And I come back and it's gonna be down here. It never happens. I don't know why I keep doing it. I do it every single fucking video. I do it every single time I trade, and it never works out for me.
Go empty my fucking bowels.
Okay.
Empties out my bank account.
That's next. Taking a shit while the bank takes a shit. Not bad.
Yeah, it is. You know what, man? I think I'm gonna cut it because that gap. Fuck it, I'm cutting this shit.
What did I leave with? $20? I can't even buy coffee in this fucking economy with $20. I could have taken partials here. I don't know why I didn't. Taking partials at least make it break. I only got $20 anyway, so I might as well play for break even, you know? Could have moved this down here, and then it is what it is. If it works out, it works out. If not, whatever. Not much happened that day. It was pretty okay setup. I actually ended up being correct and cutting it because it ended up not working out for me, but let's see what happened on Tuesday. Okay, let's just preface this. Clearly, this point here is a very strong area of resistance, right? Very strong area of resistance. There's an inverse gap forming here. If this gets shut out, boom, we can go for longs because it's showing that this resistance is actually holding up, and then this is now going to get inverse, whatever, right? Whole 9 yards. But let's see what happens. Well, now this gap gets completely respected. It goes all the way up here. It gets wicked out to fucking Narnia, and it gets respected. This is an ideal time to go for shorts now.
Volatile wick, man. From all the way up here, 77.
I mean, listen, man. That's fucking price action this week. That's all I was doing. Look at this wick. This is like a 60-point wick from 7,003 to what? What is this? Okay, it was a 14-point wick, but it looks massive.
That wasn't a bad entry for shorts up here, but I just don't know who the fuck would have taken shorts today when the bias was definitely bullish.
That's a good point. That's a good point. But some people made money this day, and you didn't. So you're still fucking wrong.
For right now, I think I'm done. There's nothing going on, man. It is what it is. Moves been missed. Bias changed. Fuck that.
That's probably the single smartest thing I've done on this account so far. And just watch how much money I lose on the rest of this week. So going into today, we had a giant 4-hour inverse gap that never got touched, and just a bunch of shit telling me we're gonna sink. So naturally, I go for a short. But what I messed up on is look where my stop loss is. What is it on? It's on nothing. It's on fucking thoughts and ashes. That's it.
Damn, bro. Really? This gap got respected 2 fucking times, and it's gonna rip right through.
That's because I didn't wait for a break of structure. This gap, that's correct. This gap got respected 2 times right here, right? It got respected, wick, whatever. But the fact that I didn't wait for a break of structure, that's what ended up messing me up in this trade. Because if I waited and structure ended up breaking right around this point, price would have kept dropping. I had no reason to keep on going up because the trend is over now.
I mean, this gap got respected, but I'm so close to the fucking stop. Yeah.
Your fucking account balance wasn't getting respected down there with 9956. Now, this is the most infuriating part because look at the direction of this candle. I'm completely right. I knew my bias was going to be short for the day, but my entrance was god-awful. I didn't enter off a breakage structure. I entered off of being overzealous and off of a fucking just a thought of making some money this week because it's already Wednesday and I made nothing all week. The worst type of losses in trading is when your bias is right, but you still lose money. Honestly, it's worse than like you not making money, but your friend making money on the same fucking day.
Let's go reassess what happened, and I'm done for the day because this move is gone.
Talking like he just lost a fucking title fight against Conor McGregor in 2016 UFC Championship. Go reassess what happened, talk to the team, and come back tomorrow. Get the fuck out of here. You suck. Now, honestly, just reading this fucking title right here pisses me off so much because let's look at it. I'm still trading against bias and still paying the price. 100K eval live day trading day 21. I've had 21 days to figure this shit out, and I'm still going against my bias. At this point, bro, I feel like some people are just destined to fail.
We'll see how this opens. Maybe we'll open up.
I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but in this video, my production got better. I could hear music in the background.
Big displacement right after that sweep. Retested that displacement. Break a structure. I'm going in.
Good setup. Honestly, TJR probably taught you that one, but you're still going against a high time frame bias. Do you just hate money?
All we gotta do is watch TikToks and see if this thing fucking works.
You're in a fucking TikTok because it didn't work. You suck. But hey, my production went up in this video. Clearly, you can hear music in the background.
The craziest fucking part was the fact that we still swept this out. Literally same thing that happened.
No, the craziest part is that you still believe 3 weeks into trading on this eval account that going against your bias is going to result to anything but fucking thoughts and prayers. Even looking at this, like, can you not tell we're going down, 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 slight retrace, down, 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 retrace, sweep into the gap. Obviously, we're going to go down.
Pretty clear liquidity sweep here.
Can't sweep liquidity 2 times from the same point. It doesn't work that way. At this point, take a cup and go sit outside of fucking New York City begging for some penny nickel dime.
Price broke structure, 15-minute.
Where? I must be gay.
I don't know if it was because of news or because we're in a bearish market. But
Because of news or because we're in a bearish market? Which one do you think it is? The fact that there was news today for like one fucking candle going up or down for a little bit? Or the fact that you're trading against high time frame bias, which is the most important thing? Honestly, I can't take any more of this, but this is from yesterday. This was yesterday's trade on Friday. Short video. I wonder if I won or if I lost. Like I said, this video has highs and lows. All I've shown you so far is the lows, so maybe this is a high, maybe I lied to you in the beginning. I guess we're going to find out right now.
no, I might go for shorts. Let's see how this plays out. I'm gonna cut this. It's not moving fast.
I mean, do I need to say anything? It's not moving fast. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking 18 hours ago, but it's not moving fast. It's literally 3 1-minute candles going to the downside. Right next to take profit 1, and I cut it early. Honestly, this could very well be the last fucking week I have of this account.
I slowed down mentally or something because I started losing all my trades.
I have nothing more to say.